Miss Percy Smith from Wolverhampton Music Service. In this video, I'm going to be talking you through how to play a piece called Lean on Me. This piece uses the notes B flat, A, G, F and E and is for the French horn. I'm going to start by playing a demo of the piece so that you know how the whole tune sounds. The music will appear on your screen to follow along. Before I teach you this piece, I'm going to explain an important pattern which all of the tune is based on. The pattern is a scale pattern, which means it is made of step-by-step movements going up or down in pitch. Let's warm up together with the scale pattern using the notes of our piece. I'm going to start on our lowest pitch and gradually step up one note at a time until I get to our highest pitch. Why don't you listen to the pattern, then pause the video to try it yourself. Now let's try the opposite way, starting on our highest pitch and going all the way down to our lowest pitch. I'm going to move on to teach you the piece now, but if you want to spend longer warming up, you could try playing the scale pattern with long and short notes, playing smoothly or separated, or loud and quiet. To teach you this piece, I'm going to split it down into 4 sections. These will be the introduction, part 1, part 2 and finally the performance. The start of this piece is an introduction where the tune is not played. You may think that we don't need to worry about this, but it's important that you know how to count the introduction so that you start playing in the right place. The introduction is 4 bars long. Each of those bars are made up of 4 crotchet beats. So, to count this introduction, we just have to count to 4 times. The important thing to remember is that we have to listen carefully while counting so that we match the pulse or beat of the music. Here's an example of how to count the introduction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. You'll notice that I marked each bar by changing the starting number. This helps you to keep track of which bar you're on. I'm going to teach you part 1 now using call and response. I'm going to play 2 bars, then I will leave space for you to play, following the music on the screen. Don't worry if you need extra time to practice, just pause the video and then press play again when you're ready to continue. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, rest, rest. Now that we can play these 2 small chunks of music, it's time to make it a bit more challenging by trying to play a whole line. Like before, I'm going to play, then leave a pause for you to try the same. Don't forget to count yourself in before you play. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to learn part 2, which you'll see on your screen. If you're feeling confident, you might want to pause the video here and try and learn the section independently. If you want some support, keep watching and I'll talk you through. Because this part uses lots of similar notes and rhythms to part 1, I'm going to go straight into playing the whole line with call and response like before. Remember, if you want to stop and check the notes you are playing, then you can pause the video at any time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that we have learnt all 3 elements of the piece, it's time to put them all together. As always, practice doing the count-in and then playing both parts fluently first. Here is the performance track for you to play along to when you're ready. Thank you for watching. Come back again to see the videos we will be releasing to support you at home. If you've enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to the channel.